Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad here. Quick additional Thanksgiving leftover vlog. Today we are going to attempt to recreate one of my favorite sandwiches in the world, Earl of Sandwiches holiday sandwich. Now my go-to place to get this is always Disney Springs at the Walt Disney World Resort, but I believe Earl of Sandwiches is a chain that's in a variety of places around the country, I don't know, around the world. Don't have anyone here local to Nashville, so we're gonna have to recreate this at home, and it's the perfect time of year to do this because we've got all the leftovers of what we need to do it. All we need is dressing slash stuffing, cranberry sauce, or just cranberry really, mayonnaise, turkey, gravy. One thing I'm gonna do that's a little bit different already, I toasted the bread. We got some SR on that, a little bit right there. Bread's toasted, so all we gotta do, really easy, you're just gonna assemble everything the way it's meant to be assembled on the sandwich, and in no time we're gonna have a delicious Thanksgiving leftover feast, hopefully somewhat similar to what you can get if you go to Earl of Sandwich. So here we go, let's give it a shot, let's put it all together, and let's eat. All right, so like I said, this is gonna be quick and easy. We're gonna do a little bit of mayo on both sides. That's probably way more mayo than I meant, but we're gonna go mayo both sides of the bread. Get that good in there. A little cranberry on this side, smooth everything out. Go turkey on both sides. With our stuffing slash dressing. I think the stuffing and the gravy is probably where you're going to see the biggest difference, like if you're trying to recreate the sandwich versus ordering it at actual Earl of Sandwich, because sure, their recipe is different certainly than what we're doing here. Finish off with that gravy over the top there. I'm going to get a lot of this gravy because this is what's going to make it nice and moist. Everybody's favorite word, moist. Gonna now fold everything together. I did this upside down. Flip it there. Let's get a cut. All right. There is our sandwich. Let's give it a try. A bite, a taste, a treat. Let's eat it. All right, we got it. We're good. Ready to eat. Like I said, this could not have been faster. I toasted the bread. That took like 2 to 3 minutes. That's like the one thing that was probably took a little bit more time. The assembly and everything were done in like 2 minutes, and we've got a nice little Thanksgiving leftover lunch here. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's gonna be hard to replicate that sandwich because it's, whatever reason, that sandwich just is delicious at Earl of Sandwich. But homemade, gonna give it a shot. Bon appetit. Very good. Like I said, quick, easy, for basic like late afternoon lunch, something simple to throw together on your post-Thanksgiving weekend. Can't beat something like this. We did the fritters yesterday, a little bit more complicated on that. This, much easier, much quicker. Great for like a day like today where I've been sitting around watching college football all day. Quick, easy, leftover sandwich with a little bit of a flair to it. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching. A little bit of a shorter video today. I hope you appreciate it. I hope you try this at home. Let me know, do you have any tricks? What do you do with your leftovers? I'm looking for new opportunities, new stuff to do all the time. Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, turn the bell on for notifications so you never miss any future updates. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Everything is happening. It's a great time of year. Vandy got off to such a good start, and it's all falling apart. Enjoy your life, enjoy your bagels.